Okay, so Ross, can you quickly tell me how was the CPA marketing session with Shabir Khan?
First of all, I want to say thank you because you took your time. It's been like an hour. Yeah, you took your time to teach me, and yeah, that's it for free. I'm sure I could not get this anywhere. Like I tried other people, like other CPA experts. Like someone invites you to like a passive income, then after you register, they just leave you pending. Like you're on your own. Like they've got a sale, so it's up to you to figure out what to do next. But for you, you helped me. You decided to help me further by inviting me to your groups, and also scheduling other meetings so that you can teach me how to go and improve my earnings through passive income and residual income.
That's fantastic. And what 3 things did you learn from this session?
I learned that when you want to do CPA marketing, you have to find out like you have to find out there are three income streams. There is passive income whereby it requires your effort, your time and money, and there's passive income which you earn while like you for the passive income you earn recurring income every month. The more you recruit people, the more you earn. And for the residual income, it's you only need to get people to join, and they keep you, like you earn from them. If they make sales, you earn monthly. So this does not require a lot of effort. It only needs you to recruit someone once, and yeah, that's it.
Residual income, right? So basically, you just have to make sure that you are able to build 3 income streams, and then you can build upon your active income stream on the basis of passive income stream and the residual income stream, right? And I really appreciate you giving me this feedback, and pretty much thank you for giving me this feedback.